Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into one of the best garden stake connectors available in the market. The Adjustable Plant Trellis Connector Clip by Honoson.
If you're into gardening and looking for ways to support your plants effectively, you'll want to stick around for this review. The Honoson Adjustable Plant Trellis Connector Clip is designed to make your gardening life easier. It comes in a pack of 50 pieces, each with an 11 mm diameter, perfect for creating stable climbing frames for your plants.
Using these connectors is a breeze. Simply assemble them to create a sturdy trellis system that supports your plants as they grow. Whether you're setting up a new garden or improving an existing one, these clips ensure your plants get the support they need to thrive. To sum it up, if you're looking for reliable, durable, and versatile garden stake connectors, the Honoson Adjustable Plant Trellis Connector Clip is an excellent choice. It's designed to make your gardening experience smoother and your plants healthier. You can find the link to purchase these connectors in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!